Hello, I am Juan Luis Herrera from the University of Extremadura, and I am going to present my research line in which we try to enable the next generation of Internet of Things applications. This sort of application will try to computerize and automate processes from intensive domains such as industry or healthcare. And when we move these critical processes from the real world to the computer world, this criticality represents itself as very strict quality of service requirements or QoS requirements. And these applications need to work in a very fast, very reliable way for them to be useful. We consider that there's three dimensions that affect an application's QoS. First, the application itself, the logic, the software. Depending on how complex the software is and depending on how optimized the software is, we may have different results with respect to the application's QoS. Moreover, this application is executed by a set of servers and computing devices which conform the computing dimension. The more powerful they are, generally the better QoS we'll have. But of course, these computing devices are going to have to communicate between themselves because the IoT devices are not going to run the application on their own. Thus, we need a networking fabric that will allow them to communicate. The better the networking fabric, the better the QoS of the complete application. Traditionally, we bundle the computing and networking dimensions into the infrastructure due to the more hardware nature, while the application is more software. In each of these dimensions, we have different paradigms applied to the next generation of IoT applications. Applications on their own are developed using microservices architectures. Computing uses fog computing to get a more easy and better quality of service, and networking uses software-defined networking for us to program the network. In my research line, we try to bundle all the problems from all three dimensions together in order to obtain the best possible quality of service and meet the QoS requirements from these applications. Thank you very much for your time.